I purchased this CNC machine from Blue Elephant, and I'll tell you, I'm extremely happy with my purchase. It's a really, really heavy-duty machine, and it does everything I need it to do. Now, I'll tell you, before I purchased this machine, I was really concerned about spending this much money overseas, especially with all the horror stories that you hear about people and problems in China. But Blue Elephant surpassed my expectations. Their customer service is absolutely amazing. Their technical support is awesome. Everybody there is extremely friendly, and if I have any problem at all, they're right there to help me through it. So I definitely recommend Blue Elephant if anybody is interested in purchasing a CNC machine from China. Thanks a lot.